Tyler Ramos.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the stream. We're starting early. We're going to start early today. We got 42 people in here already. So, I just wanted to jump in here and start strong. We're starting strong with 23 likes already. It looks like I'm going to be in some pain later on today. Welcome back to the stream. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in. We got Pearls, thank you for stopping in. The legend is back. I appreciate that. Let's see. We got the Crypto Bull. What is going on? Captain BT, good to see you again. Who else? Glenn, thank you for tuning in. Mojo, that rising wedge played out, that's for sure. Yes, that is true. Congratulations on that. Definitely did play out. Who else we got in here? Ali, appreciate you coming in. Bearish Bull, what's going on? All right, guys, we had a great stream today. We're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin, looking at some key levels, and good news. I shot another tutorial video today for you guys. We are going in that video. We're going to be going over how to find key levels of support and resistance. I show you how to draw the lines, how to make sure that your lines are in fact strong levels that you can rely on. Most likely having a reaction off of, and yeah. So that is a funny story. I actually recorded it. Had a technical difficulty, ran through the whole video, screen didn't record, so I had to do the whole thing all over again. So it's probably going to go out tomorrow morning, but I will give you guys a little bit of the sauce. I'll give you some of that Sunday sauce tonight on this stream, so we give you guys a little taste of what's to come in that video. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't already, and smash those likes. We have some funny micro content that we're putting out when we were doing the wall sits. We got some funny Twitter content, some TikTok content. We're going to get tons of stuff going. We're getting up and running with the YouTube channel. Super excited. Thank you guys for tuning in. Let's see. What are we going for likes today? We got 47 people in here already. We're just getting started. Let's go for... I do have to remember that we're not rolling right in, right out of ATB into this stream, so I will keep them realistic. But hopefully we will be doing that soon. We're getting my studio ready in the downstairs area here at the Hit Factory, so I will be able to go live, and you guys can roll right from ATB straight into my stream, and then we can up those like goals. But today, let's go. What did we hit yesterday? Does anybody remember? I don't even remember. All I remember is all I remember is the punishments. I got BJ yelling in the background over here. But yeah, let's go for, what do you guys think? What do you think we can hit? Let's hear it. Let's hear from you guys. Let's just go down, Mojo, let's just go down to 28K and get it over with. Hey, let's rip off the Band-Aid, right? But if you guys, I don't know if you guys watched ATB tonight, but DZ was talking about how Kraken analysts are saying that the bull run is indeed not over. He did mention take that with a grain of salt because it is coming from Kraken, but hey, I'll take that. I'll take any hopium, right? But yeah, I guess let's go for 200 likes, 215 likes. Oh no, we got 222 yesterday, which is interesting because today's date was 2/2/22. A lot of twos. Let's go for 222 likes for today's challenge at the end of the stream. But let's jump right into it. I'm gonna give you guys some value. We're gonna hop on into the charts. I'm gonna show you guys some important levels of support and resistance for Bitcoin. I'll give you guys a little bit of that Sunday sauce, teasing the video for tomorrow, because I know it is getting, I wanted to bring it out tonight, but I had those technical difficulties, so I'll give you a little bit of that Sunday sauce. And then we will look at some altcoins, and then we'll do a little bit of Q&A, and then if we hit our like goal, we'll have some fun here at the end of the stream. If you guys have been learning something from these streams and the YouTube channel, put hashtag value or hashtag bing bong in the chat. All right, let's jump in here. Let's jump in here. Let me share my screen. Boom. All right, here we are. Let's get rid of Market Cipher B. That's not what I wanted to do. We want to get rid of it. All right, we're going to come on over here to the daily, to our treacherous downtrend that we are in with that heavy, heavy, heavy resistance line. It happened. It finally happened. We've all been waiting. We've all been waiting for this moment to come. Let me get rid of this Fibonacci. They do call me Frankie Fibonacci, but we do not need any fibs right now. Maybe if you guys want me to go over some Fibonacci, if you guys want me to play the part of Frankie Fibonacci today, put it in the chat. We'll spit some Fibonacci knowledge. But so here we are on the daily with this long-term downtrend, with this horrible, horrible resistance. We were talking a little bit yesterday about, every time we come up here, it's the kiss of death, and we just dump down. Question is, are we going to see this 20% dump or more off of this bounce here? And so let's zoom in a little bit. So this is kind of what we're dealing with on the lower time frame. We did have an ascending channel coming up, typically a bullish pattern. And we were kind of bing-bonging around in there. Lost this important level of support at 37.5. I did just delete the Fibonacci, but there was a Fibonacci level down here that it was trying to stick to. Actually, hang on, let's pull up that Fibonacci level again. And come on, boom. All right, let's go back down. I'll keep it on for a little bit. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, we are sticking to that Fibonacci level, trusty old Fibonacci's. So, we were coming down to test the bottom of this channel. I was hoping we were going to stick it. Looked like, I know it's a little hard to see with the color of the Fibonacci, but you can see we wicked down, wicked back up. I thought we were going to hold it, and then we printed this other candle, broke that support, came down out of the channel, broke this important yellow line here, and now we are sitting on top of this Fibonacci level. Will we hold it? We'll have to see. But this ascending channel, I was hoping that was going to play out a little more bullishly, but as you know, we were ready. We were calling this yesterday on the stream and on the morning streams. We mentioned it a couple times. We were waiting for this level right here. I know a lot of people have been waiting for this level to look for a little bit of, a little short. If you guys did take a short, and you are in profit, put that in the chat, and we'll get a little congratulations going on over here. 54 likes, 65 viewers. Let's keep those likes going. So let's see here. Where can we go from here? So I just want to point out a couple of things here. We do have this important support here at 36,000, 37.5, which we have currently lost. And then, if we did break out, these were, next level of resistance I was looking at was 39.5 and then eventually 40. And then if we went higher, I would say about 41 would be the next level to look at. Now, let's compare this what should we call this? This is the, let me get my tool. Boom. Okay. Let's compare this little, this little bing right here to the last times that we came over to test this trend line. Because you can see yesterday, I believe we were talking about it, or on the morning stream, I know we talked about how, you come up here. The last time we came up to test this line, it was like the kiss of death, boom, and then it was basically just a straight plummet, just free falling, just straight free falling, free falling. It's a good song, right? But yeah, we're just falling. They call me Frankie the Fall Guy sometimes, maybe because Bitcoin's falling, or maybe, I keep people out of trouble sometimes. But anyway, kiss of death, we fall. And then if you come back a little bit further, again, kiss, we touch it and basically just free fall. But when you come back down to the current price, we kind of hung out here a little bit. And I thought that was interesting that we didn't just, we tested it twice instead of just having that one death, that little one touch and go. So I thought that was interesting. That was giving me a little bit of hope. We had that, this Fibonacci level right here, the 0.50. So let's see if we could, hold this. If we do break this, I am looking at 36,000 for an important support. But, historically, looking back at these dumps, let's see, last time here, we came down about, from the top of the channel to the bottom. Or the top of the wedge, technically, to the bottom of the wedge was about 20% before we had a little bit of relief. And then, we eventually went down a little bit more. Let's test this other one. This one came down about 10, a little relief, and then, you know, we came down, I believe we came down about, like another 20 or so percent. So can we expect that off of this move? If we lose this, you know, if we lose these levels of support that we're talking about, that would bring us, let's see, from here, let's see where 20-ish% would bring us, you know. If it plays out over, you know, the next few days, maybe it brings us down to, you know, coincidentally, it brings us down to this little green zone of support that we had drawn a while ago, which would be, this is the area that I'm looking for. I mean, if we come down here and things aren't looking horrible, I mean, I think there is a chance that we come down and test these areas, even if we come up again to the upside. I do think there is a chance that we come down and test these areas, especially if we lose these supports. So definitely something to keep an eye on. Now let's see. Louis, your family, bro. Your family. We got Louis, Jimmy joined the family. You guys are all family, but I like these Louis, these Jimmys, these Mikeys, these Vinnies. Let's go. But yeah, so we're going to be keeping an eye on that. Hopefully we can hold these supports. But if we do dump down, I would be expecting a move to 36K if we lose that Fibonacci level. We do have another, we have the 236 Fibonacci right here. Might see some reaction there. But, you know, sometimes you can see these Fibonacci levels are very, very reliable. But, you know, sometimes when price just wants to dump, we just crush right through them, as you can see. Let's see, what do we got? Let's check on chat real quick. I'm just trying to give you guys as much value as possible, but I don't want to leave you guys hanging in the chat if you have questions or something. Oh, yeah. All right. Here we go. We got Bing Bong value. Eric, I appreciate that. Hashtag value. Hashtag Bing Bong. Hashtag Bing Bong. Bing Bong. Bing Bong. Bing Bong. Bing Bong. Tons of Bing Bongs. I love it. That means you guys are learning on these streams and on this channel. That's my favorite thing to hear. I will have you guys know that my legs still hurt from the wall sits. Crypto Anon, what's going on, brother? Thank you for coming back. Let's see. Bearish Bull says, in my opinion, we still in a bull market if we hold above 31. I am looking at low. You know, I think a lot of people are just throwing in the towel early. And hey, it doesn't mean they're wrong, but I'm not ready to throw in the towel yet because, you know, we got a lot of leverage in the markets now. We have a lot of institutions, a lot of manipulation. So I think if there is a time to see an atypical cycle for Bitcoin, you know, I think now would be the time to be seeing some funky cycles. So I'm not throwing in the towel yet. You know what I'm saying? I'm not throwing in the towel yet. Let's see. Was there a blood diamond before this most recent drop? Let's turn on Market Cipher A and take a look at it. There was no blood diamond. And funny enough, there's actually, you know, there's no blood diamond at the actual test of the trend line here or the resistance. You know, these blood diamonds are brutal sometimes, especially on the longer time frames. But yeah, no blood diamond there, no blood diamond there. And I don't think, we haven't seen one come from, we had one on the first one. I guess that was the, that blood, that one was the one that started it all. But yeah, no blood diamond. Let's see. First time you reach 500 likes, I think you should eat a Carolina Reaper. Captain BT Crypto. I don't know. I had ghost pepper beef jerky recently, and that was very, 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 very hot. I'm very intolerable to hot food. I do like a little bit of spice here and there, but that, you know, Takis, you guys like Takis? Put hashtag Takis in the chat if you like Takis. Yeah, I like Takis. Those are pretty hot to me, and I know a lot of people who like spicy stuff will laugh at that. But yeah, Takis is probably like just about as hot as I go. The Carolina Reaper would put me in the hospital probably. But hey, nothing's out of the question, right? Maybe I'll do it for you guys. Let's see. Actually, funny enough, DZ, if you guys watch NFT Update with DZ and Justin, DZ did a Pocky Chip challenge, and it's hilarious. I'm sure I think you could just Google it or YouTube it, DZ_MTG or DZ Taki challenge or DZ Pocky Chip challenge. You could probably find it. It's hilarious. Trust me, it's worth the watch. But follow NFT Update. They're dropping crazy knowledge on NFTs. They're always bringing up new projects, you know, low cap projects that, you know, they're gems. They've turned me into an NFT DJ, and I'm buying Cardano NFTs. I'm in it deep. I'm in it deep. But yeah, check them out. They're making a lot of good content over there. Also check out Meta Money. They're doing everything Metaverse, everything play to earn. They're making really good content over there. Make sure to check them out. I mean, they're literally showing people how to make money playing video games, and if you think that's not possible, it is, because they got me into it. They got me into a game called Bomb Crypto, and I basically have little minion characters. It's a game where these guys just basically run around and make you money. It's pretty cool. Let's see. We go by UTC. The candle is good to print. Let's see here. Bullish divergences, lower time frames, plus hourly. Louis, my man Louis, we're gonna take a look at that. We'll look for some bullish divergences. We did talk about divergences a little bit on last night's stream. So we'll try to touch on that again today. But yeah, so I guess we can move on. I'm gonna try to show you guys. Here's the Sunday sauce, right? This is the Sunday sauce segment, right? I'm gonna give you guys a little teaser of what's to come in the video that's coming out tomorrow on how to find key levels. I don't want to go too into it because the video will be coming out tomorrow. I go in depth, but basically we talk about, there's all different types of support and resistance. There's horizontal lines of support and resistance, which you see here, these yellow lines that are horizontal. You have trend lines, which is, the ones going from diagonally here, diagonal resistance, diagonal support. You have dynamic support and resistance, which is basically support and resistance lines that move with every candle that's printed. So the support and resistance moves as the price moves. Acts as support on uptrends, and then if you break it, it'll become resistance on the downtrend. Maybe we'll try to pull one of those up. Things like EMAs or exponential moving averages, if you've heard of that. And then there's Fibonacci levels. There's a bunch of different types of support and resistance. There's spider lines, right? Probably going to do the spider line video sooner than later. Probably be one of the earlier videos that I do, because I know a lot of people are interested in that. Yeah, so there's all different types, but they're basically all the same thing. I'm sure you guys know what support and resistance is. If you don't know, think of support as a floor, right? I don't know why I'm using my hands to explain it. We have a chart right here. So you could see support would be this line right here where you have price come down and bounce off of it and go up. And then you can think of resistance as a ceiling. This is a trend line, not horizontal support, but same idea. You come up, hit the resistance, and come down. So resistance, ceiling, support, floor, very simple. I'm sure I didn't have to explain that, but if you didn't know, now you know. Forget about it. We got Jimmy in the chat. Jimmy, I see you everywhere, man. I see you everywhere. Forget about it. Bing bong, all over the place. See you on Twitter. Love the energy that you bring to the chat. Donko's big up, Frankie, my G. Love from the UK. Let's go. UK in the house. We always have people from other places of the world, coming into the chat. Really cool to see. Really cool to see. Let's see. Do you think Facebook earnings will kill the market tomorrow? Yeah. I mean, yeah. So again, I talk about this a lot. Like, TA is good, right? But we have a lot of fundamental things going on right now. You got the stuff with the Fed, you got the stock market going crazy. There's a lot of fundamental things that can affect the price of Bitcoin and crypto. So, you do have to take that stuff into consideration, right? Charts are not 100%, but it does help if you can learn how to read them. It gives you a mean edge while trading, because, as you guys know, on this channel, it doesn't matter if obviously we want the price of crypto to go up because we are believers in crypto. It is the future. But if it does go down, we're making money either way. So if it does crash tomorrow, we're going to look for those shorts. But hashtag spiderline sooner, Captain BT crypto. Okay, noted. Let's see here. Understand that, but worried about crypto. All right. So we talked a little bit about the different types of support and resistance. Now, I'm not going to go too heavy in the stream on how to find them because that's what the video is about tomorrow. But I will let's just take a look here. Maybe we'll go over a little bit of, a little Fibonacci. I'll give you guys a little Fibonacci sauce, a little fib sauce. Let's see here. By the way, guys, this show is sponsored by coffee, black coffee. So if you like black coffee, hashtag black coffee in the chat. But we're here late. I'm working late. We're gonna be here till like 8. I got to drink the black coffee. I can't do the bangs anymore. They keep me up all night, but I got the black coffee. But we got the water too, right? Hashtag health. But yeah, so let's take a look. Maybe we'll, what coin, put in the chat, what coin do you want to draw some Fibonacci's on? Let's see. What do you guys want to see? Let's take a look at what we got here. Everybody smile. Hope Frankie is wearing shorts today. I like that. It's funny. All right, let's find something here. If you guys put something in the chat quick enough, I'll pick what you say. But if not, Mana, boom, first one, Jesse. Hashtag Black Coffee, Captain BT Crypto. Let's go. All right, Mana. Let's look at Mana. Do I have it here? I don't think I do. Let's find it. Let's see here. Coinbase. Okay. Boom. And if you guys are using TradingView, I don't know if you know about this, but this is like my favorite thing. If you open up a chart and oh god, I miss these days, right? Look at these. Look at that rip. But anyway, if you go, there's this little arrow here, and if you click it, it just brings you right to the current price action. It's amazing, and so you don't have to scroll and scroll and scroll. It's a hassle. It's a hassle. Okay, guys. So with the Fibonacci, you want to come over here, third little button down, click. First one here, Fibonacci retracement. There's all different types of Fibonacci tools. I use Fibonacci retracements. There's extensions. There's all different kinds of crazy Fibonaccis. But so what you want to do is you want to find a swing high and you want to find a low. And you want to, let's just do it right here. So let's say, boom, right here. You got your high right here, these wicks, and then you have your low right here. And let's get rid of those ugly lines and click back on the Fibonacci. Let's get rid of market cipher A so we can see a little better. Let's shrink this. Boom, nice and clean. I love it. Okay, so you grab your Fibonacci. You want to go all the way to the top. You see this this dotted line. That's what I am bringing to the top of the wick. And get it as close as you can. And bring it down to the low. And right about there. Okay, so as you can see, so basically each one of these zones, each one of these lines right here it's support and resistance, functions as support and resistance, as regular support and resistance does. That's the last time I'm going to say support and resistance in this stream. But okay, so you can see we drew it here. And let me get my little brushy brush. Zoom in a bit. Boom. Boom. Okay. So you can see we come down, right? And you get a reaction right here. You get a reaction right here. And here, and with support and resistance, now I'm giving you guys a sauce. This isn't the video, but I'll give you guys a sneak peek because I appreciate you guys coming through. We got 80 likes, 85 viewers. Maybe start throwing some suggestions in chat about, what our challenge tonight could be. But so with support and resistance, you do want to have price come down and respect the line, meaning bounce off of it or reject off of it in either direction. You want price to react to your level at least 3 times for you to consider it a reasonable area of support or resistance. So we drew it here, comes down, bunch of reactions right here. We get another reaction right here. We fought for our lives and then dumped down, crushed through this level, and then wicked down to almost this level, and then came back up, and you get respect here, respect there, and right there. And you guys can see that this acts very reliably. I'm circling all the points of contact here. Look at this. I mean, these are very reliable. and then, you know, sometimes it goes over a little bit, but hey, that's why, so you can see how, you know, we come up and over this line a little bit. It's kind of like a fake out, and then we come back down and it's resistance again. That is why I think I've said this before on the stream. It is important when drawing support and resistance that it's not always a perfect line, right? Let's get rid of this Fibonacci. But this is kind of cool, right? Because it's kind of like a cheat sheet, so you don't have to go and look for your own levels. If you can find a clear high and a clear low, and you drag that fib retracement down to the low, it kind of draws your lines for you. And just a little tip: the 0.618 Fibonacci level is usually very, very, very strong. But that's, you know, we broke through it and slammed down. But yeah, the 0.618 level is usually very, very strong. But let's get rid of this Fibonacci for now, because I do want to talk about, I think I've mentioned it before, it's not always, you know, let me just find a little line of support here. Okay. Well, let's see if that works. Okay, boom. So you got respect there, respect there, respect there. And then so when you draw your lines, right, going into the video too, now you guys getting the super sauce, the super Sunday sauce, the triple S, SSS. When you draw your lines, no matter where you draw them, you can back test them, right? So let's come down to like a lower time frame, just. So let's say, so you see you got reaction here, you get a reaction here, here, right? And then you can back test it and bring it back in time and see if the line reacted with price in the past. And you can see that it you know, not quite, but somewhat reacted there. And then we had a little bit of support here. And then look at this. Look at this. This was a very quickly drawn line, guys, so it may not be exactly 100%, but I do go into detail in the tutorial. But you can see here, now we're all the way back. We drew this way further forward in time, but if you could come back, look at this. Resistance, resistance, comes down, flips it to support, support, support. We break down, flips it to resistance. So when you see it flipping from support to resistance, that's a good indicator that it's a strong level. And then the more contacts, at least 3, remember that you want at least 3 points of contact with your line, okay? So I think that's all I'm gonna, that's all I'm gonna go into. I don't want to give away everything that we're talking about in the video, but let me see hashtag Bing Bong in the chat if you just learned something. Let's see what we got. Let us see. Mitch, thank you for being here. Hey, Cobra Kai, what's going on? I've seen you in here before. Thank you for coming back, tuning in from Toronto. Love it. Paul, thank you for coming in. Chaz, what's going on? I don't have enough money, so every time I get a fee, it's a large percentage of what I have. Paul, you're talking about regular trading, or are you talking about, like Femex? Guys, also, by the way, if you do want to sign up for Femex, I don't know if you guys saw my video. I did. I told you I was putting it out last night. When I say something, I hold to it, right? You could take that to the bank. I told you guys I'd put out that Femex tutorial last night, and I did. I went home. We got it up. No problem. I hope you guys found that valuable. But if you guys haven't signed up for Femex yet and you want to sign up to trade, you can use leverage on Femex, or you can buy spot too, meaning just buy it regular with no leverage if you want to just buy and hold. But Femex link is in the description of this video. So if you guys want to sign up, you can click my referral link in the description. That would be awesome. We got some bing bongs. Bing bong, bing bong. All right, you guys are learning. I like it. I like it. Bing bong, forget about it. Jimmy hit us with the bada bing bong, forget about it. Not to be mixed up with bing bong, forget about it. It was bada bing bong, forget about it. ADA, we will take a look at ADA Noah. Let's do it right now. Jumping right back into the charts. Trying to provide that value for you guys. Let's see here. ADA, actually, we could talk a little bit. This stream is going to be support and resistance based. It's going to be themed support and resistance. Maybe we should call it S&R because I'm sick of saying those words, especially after recording that video. Let's see here. Okay, I deleted my lines that I had drawn on here, but let's go to a longer time frame. So the longer, on longer time frames, very important to know. On longer time frames, the support is very strong, right? So if you're finding levels on the daily or the weekly, you can bet that they're going to be very, very strong levels. But that's not always useful when you're trading, especially if you're scalping or day trading, like I'm going to be doing a lot on this channel. And I'll explain why. So we're here on the daily, and we're looking for, I mean, you could see it without even putting the line. You got 1, you got 2, you got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You got a bunch of, you got rejection in this area, right? That's definitely a line of support. So let's go ahead and just rough a line out here. And then when you're also, I'm going to save that for the video. I don't want to share too much. But so you have this line, right? Just roughly drawn. That's definitely an area of support, strong area of support. So this is great and all, and it's about $1 and change, $1.08, $1.06, $1.05. Now this is another type of resistance or support. This is another type of level, and that's psychological support and resistance. Now, these are typically round numbers, even numbers, right? People like even numbers. And the reason why even numbers act and psychological support acts as such strong levels is because a lot of people set their orders at these numbers, right? It's usually $1. It's usually $2. It's $1.20. It's $1.50. It's these even, easy to look at numbers where people have a lot of orders set. They typically set them. So when you come to these, people who bought ADA, people have been waiting for ADA to come down to this level, right? So they're just like, I'll put it in at $1.05, right? And that's what creates the psychological support. Okay, so you have this strong support that you find on the longer time frame, but I'm going to show you why this might not be the most useful thing while you're trading. So if you come down to a lower time frame, say you're scalping the 30-minute, let's see. So we'll come out where it moved out a little bit off this line. I mean, we've been hugging this line tight. All right, let's go back to the daily so I can explain that a little better. So if you want to trade, say you're trading this price action right here, right? Let's just get a horizontal line so I know where that is. So say you want to trade this, you're trading this area right here. Now let's go back down to the 30-minute and find that area right here. Okay. So on the daily, this line looks very relevant, and it is, right? But if you're trading here, that trend line isn't even on your screen, right? So like what is it going to do? I mean, if we dumped down, you can expect to see a bounce off this level. But if you're trading these little bing bongs over here, there's no level of support, right? And so what you want to do is when you're trading, you want to zoom in to the current price action, right? So you want to zoom into the current price action because look at this, your support and resistance is much different at these levels. Let's see. So you got like support right there, right? Boom, 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 boom. That's actually some pretty nice support. And then you get a little bit of resistance, call it, I mean, right here, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, reactions there, support. So, the trend line we drew on the daily is not even on this screen. Oh, I guess it's right here. But you just want to zoom into the price action. So don't get too focused. Like if you're looking for just base levels of strong support, sometimes I'll go on the longer time frame and I'll draw a couple of really key levels of super strong support, and I'll change the color or I'll change the thickness, right, on TradingView. So I'll make the lines, the ones that I draw on the daily, I might turn red and super thick, right? So I know when I go to the lower time frames and I see that, I'm like, oh, that's a daily level. So that's going to be real strong support. And then, on these little ones, you can make them a little thinner. That way, if you're on the daily and you see these tiny little lines, you know that, they might not be as strong because they were found on a smaller time frame. Look at this, BT Crypto with the pencil and the notepad. Let's go. I love it. Frankie, what's your favorite time frame to scalp or day trade? Guys, we talked about this yesterday. I'm from New York, right? I like the hustle. I like the bustle. I like the action, right? So, I like the lower time frames. But I will say recently I've been loving the 15-minute. The 15-minute has been really powerful. Between market cipher and traditional TA has the 15-minute has been pretty good. I've done trades on just about every time frame. I wouldn't recommend just degenning out on the 1 minute, but a lot of people will be like, you don't know what you're doing, you're looking at the 1 minute. I look at every time frame. There's information on every single time frame. It's not going to hurt you to look. If you're staring at the 1 minute all the time, obviously you're only getting minute. You're getting 1 minute candles. You're going to look like, oh my God, look, we just dumped. Bitcoin is dumping. Look how bad this is. But, when you measure it out, you're on the 1 minute, it's only 3%, right? But if you were trading the 1 minute with 10x leverage, that's a 37% gain. So I would say, I like the 15-minute. I'll trade the 5-minute. I don't really have a favorite. I just kind of bounce around. I'll bounce around a little bit. But definitely 15-minute lately has been kind of where I've been trading a decent amount. Also, guys, if you did watch the Phoenix video, I should have pulled this up when I was editing. I didn't remember until after I exported the video. But we entered that little test trade with a tiny little bit of money, but wound up winning that trade. Not big, 5%, but it's about winning consistently over time, right? So I just thought that was funny. I just entered that trade just to show you guys, but we wound up winning it, right? Let's see. 91 people, 90 likes. Let's at least match the viewers, right? We got 91 confirmed. Okay, someone left. Now we're 90 and 90. Let's go. Okay. When you're trading a coin, do you sell between the coin and USD, or do you trade between the coin and stable coin? That's going to depend on the exchange you're using. That's basically, that just depends. Sometimes it's a stable coin. Everywhere is different. The boogie down Bronx, baby. The boogie down Bronx Bitcoin bulls. I like that. Jimmy coming in here. Jimmy, you're from the Bronx, I think you said, right? Hey, Chaz, if you want to degen out on a 3-minute, I'm not going to judge you, man. I'm not going to judge you. We love everybody. We love all our time frames here, okay? We love all our time frames. Let us see. The crypto bull, how long have I been trading? I would say, I got into crypto in like 2016. I've always, it's funny, we told this story yesterday. I won't go into it, but I've always been into like stocks and technical analysis, and then I got into crypto in 2016 is probably when I really started taking it seriously and started trading. Actually had a little bit of money because I was a little older. I wasn't a broke high school kid. But yeah, like 2016 is probably when I started. Let's see here. Okay, so let's continue looking at ADA. We talked about the levels a little bit, but yeah, generally coming onto the daily here so we can get a little zoomed out view. Yeah, like we're holding this area. Let's call it $1. Oh, I actually don't think I went over this. So I was talking about the importance of, support and resistance not always being a perfect line. It's not always a perfect line. Sometimes it's a range, right? So just for example, I'm going to move this line, right? So you come in here, and when you're on the daily, you want to make sure to put your line. You want to put your lines to the body of the candle, not the wick, not these little stringy things coming down. You want to put it in the thicker, up to the thicker part of the candle. That's the body. So you want to get in and lay it up against there where the candle closed. So let's just call it right there. But you'll notice that we wicked down below this, right? So let's go to a lower time frame, and you can see how confusing this can get, right? Because you're up, and then you dump. You think you're coming up, and then you dump out of this support, and you're like, oh no, the trend is reversing. The trend is reversing. What are we going to do? I'm going to get stopped out, or you're going to close your trade out because you're getting emotional, right? Hashtag no emotion when you're trading. Emotion has no place in trading. And it's much easier said than done. I will say that. If I could give anyone advice, you can get as good at TA as you want. You can get as good at predicting the charts as you want. If you can't take your emotion out of it, it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be really hard. And you can, once you start trading with money, you know, it's hard to keep that emotion out, but it's something that you got to practice over time, and eventually it'll stick. But you'll see here, like, you know, you're dumping up and down. Oh my God, did we lose the level? It's stuck here, but now we're dumping down. Is the trend reversing, right? So the way that you can, you know, kind of ease this, right? Because here it looks like, here it's like, oh, look, it's bouncing perfectly. But what you can do is you can go to your rectangle tool, and then you click right here, drag it along your normal trend line, and then just cover those wicks, right? Go down to the wick. You know, it bounced off that level. You know, support is sometimes a zone. It's not always just a perfect line. And you can see here, these came up and touched this zone. So that way, if price comes down and you enter into that zone, you're not panicking like, oh my God, the second it breaks your line, you think it's gonna dump. At least you know that, like, you know, until we get to, and you can back test it, bring it back, bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. Boom. So you can know that, you know, if you come into this level, you're not going to panic right away, and you're not going to, you know, jump out of a trade prematurely because you think that, let's go to a lower time frame. You have this zone. It's a little safety area, you know, so that way, if you're trading with this zone and you dip down into here, you're not really worried yet, right? So you're not going to freak out and emotionally get out of your trade because you haven't broken the actual support zone. So that's a big tip. That's a big tip. A lot of people just draw lines, and I used to when I was a beginner too. I'd draw a line, and then I would dump down, especially if I'm scalping. I'd be like, oh, no, we're dumping. I would jump out, and I would get, you know, at a loss, or I get stopped out. So draw zones. Hashtag draw zones. Let's see. But yeah, just as far as ADA in general, yeah, hanging on to that dollar-ish area as we have been for quite a while. So yeah, good psychological support, very strong. If we did break that, you know, that would be, oh God, you guys hear that rain? We got rain dumping down. You could hear it hitting the roof. But yeah, so definitely want to hold that dollar-ish area, you know, about $1.08. Let's see what we got going on in chat. Oh God, I'm behind. No broke start here. Forget about it. Sup, Candles VK. Thank you for stopping in. Smash 100 likes, guys. We got the 100 likes. Let's go. Now we only need 122 more, and we'll do something crazy. I'll do something crazy today. I don't know what I got. Just looking for crazy stuff that I can do. I don't know. You guys are gonna have to come up with something creative. Let's see. My desk looks exactly like BJ's desk. You guys can see the desk? Huh. Let's see. Pulse chain coming soon. Let's see. So if on Bybit you trade a coin for coin, then getting hit with the maker and taker fees? Don't really understand that question, Paul. I'm sorry. If you could just reword that, I'll try to answer it for you. I don't really understand what the question is asking. I love this. You guys are all talking to each other in here. I like that. We're creating a little community here. I love it. Let's see. Can you say how to do scalp trading? Raggy, we're gonna go in Raggy. I don't know. We're gonna be going into that in depth on the channel. But essentially, scalp trading, just like short-term, highly engaged trading, right? Like you have swing trades for a few days, right? I consider swing trades a few days, you know, a week maybe. Day trades, you know, scalping is the lowest in my opinion. You know, like scalping is you're in and out. Sometimes I could be in a scalp for minutes, you know, depending on what the price is doing. So yeah, scalping is the high energy, super hyperactive trading. That's what I like to do. It's entertaining. I like the thrill. Let's see. Crypto Anon, I see you. Paul, if you're looking to get money from your into your Bybit, like to deposit it, you just gotta like you could send Bitcoin. That's what I would do, or ETH. I maybe send ETH because it's a little faster. But yeah, you just send just send some ETH or Bitcoin, whatever you're comfortable sending from your Coinbase to your Bybit wallet. If you don't know how to do that with the wallet address and everything, just Google it. It's not that hard. It's a little intimidating, but it's not hard. I would recommend maybe just start by sending a small amount of money, like, you know, send $5. So if it disappears, whatever that amount is to you that you wouldn't mind losing, just in case if you do mess up the first time and put the wrong wallet address and the money disappears, you're not that upset. Let's see. Can you trade with leverage on KuCoin? Yes, you can. They offer leverage. I've used it a couple times. I got some good XRP leverage trades in on KuCoin. I don't use it often, but I just kind of wanted to try it out. Let's see here. Raggy, we just went over that. Favorite time frame to scalp. Typically, right now it's the 15-minute. I've been trading a lot, but I don't really have a favorite. Wherever the action, wherever I see the good setups, you know what I mean? Crypto Sasquatch, he's back. The Sasquatch is back. Good evening, crypto addicts. Sasquatch, thank you for coming back. Smash the like if you haven't already. Trying to hit that like goal of 222 on the date of February 2nd, 2022, which is 2222. And then the 22nd is going to be 222222. So that's going to be interesting too. We're going to have to get like 22,000 likes that day. But anyway, yeah, smash the likes. We're going to have some fun at the end of the stream during the Q&A. Yeah, let's see what we got here. Sorry, came late. Are we looking at 36.5 for BTC for a potential long? Let's take a look. Boom, baby. Wow, that rain is seriously coming down. What are you looking for? 36.5. Yeah, let's come down to a lower time frame. Boom. Yeah, where's 36.5? Yeah, 36.5. Yeah, we might get. Yeah, we could probably get a reaction off of 36.5, depending on. I want to keep an eye on Market Cipher B to try to see if we can, front run and see if we look like we're bottoming out. But 36 is the strong area of support that I am looking at. 36.5. Let's just draw a line there and see. Boom. Yeah, I mean, I'm looking at 36. 36. You might get a little reaction out of 36.5, but 36 is probably where I'm really looking at for some strong support. As you can see, I've just been kind of drilling down today. If you look at this $36,000 level, boom, boom, flipped it to support, boom, support. So that's a pretty strong level. All right, what do we got? Mr. Candles, have you ever lost a wallet? I have never lost a wallet. I don't. Yeah, no. I mean, I have wallets that I probably can't get into now because I lost the seed phrase, but it's stuff that I already took the money out of, and because I wanted to stop using the wallet, so I took my money out, and now I can't get back in. But I've never lost a wallet with money in it. I'm more concerned about copying and pasting the wrong address. I've never done that either. It's very simple, but just the idea that if you just happen to hit the wrong button or your computer messes up or something, you put the wrong address and then your money just disappears forever. The blockchain is not FDIC insured, so. VK, no problem. Anytime. I am here to help you guys. Maybe you already covered this, but what are your best indicators for a newbie trader to use? I use Market Cipher. Market Cipher is the most powerful indicator I have used. It's the one that I use every single day. I use Market Cipher with a mix of traditional TA. I'll use EMAs, Fibonacci's, which is, I don't know if you want to consider that an indicator, but yeah, as far as indicators, really Market Cipher is exclusively what I use. It's kind of it's one of the very few that give the results. It performs. It's a very and it's got a ton of indicators all jam-packed into one, and it displays in a very understandable way. I definitely highly recommend it. But yeah, traditional TA Market Cipher, that's basically all I use. Let's see. Do I speak French? That's weird. It sounded like I had a French. I was like, do I speak French? No, I don't speak French. Actually, I mean, I could speak a little bit of Spanish. Not really. I can't speak Spanish. Let's get that clear. I know I can I can understand a little bit of Spanish. I can't really talk. But No, I'm a one language guy. Although I wish I did learn Italian from my grandparents. I never did though. I regret that. But hey, it's never too late to learn. Let's see. I sent VChain to my ETH address. Ooh, I feel that pain. Mark M, don't worry. Don't worry. Sometimes we got to learn through mistakes. That's all right. Always double check. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, RSI, MACD, EMAs, those are good. Those are good indicators. Yeah, like any of the indicators that I do use, I guess what I want to say is Market Cipher is like the one third party, like not a RSI, MACD, EMAs, like those are very, very like I don't know the word I'm looking for. Like I'm not going on TradingView and like looking up buy and sell indicators like in the public section. Guys, there's so many buy and sell indicators out there, and you know everybody and their grandma is making one of these. It's not to say that some of them aren't amazing. You know, I just don't really pay much attention to them because I just see so many of them. You got to fish through the bad ones. Market Cipher works; it's legit. CryptoFace is the real deal. That's the guy who, you know, the man, the myth, the legend that made this indicator. The guy is no jokes at all. Super cool guy, but. Yeah, I just trust Market Cipher. It's if you use it, we'll talk about it. I'll be showing you guys how to use it. You'll see how powerful it is. When copying pasting wallet address, it's a good idea to eyeball the address to check it looks. Yeah, I agree with that, Sam. Check your Insta Frederick. I don't know if you're talking about. Excuse me. I don't know if you're talking to me, but I will after the stream. Raggy, no problem. Yeah, good fundamental indicators, most used RSI, stochastic RSI, MACD, moving averages. Yeah, guys, Lane Brown. Hey, Lane Brown. I haven't said it this stream yet. Louder for the people in the back. I would say, yeah, these are the fundamental indicators. I guess that's the word I was looking for. Yeah, just legitimate ones, not like these guys. Buy my buy and sell indicator. All you have to do is wait for it to say buy, and then those don't work out. Even though you look at them on the chart. And it looks like they would work, but it's Market Cipher. Can you do leverage trading tutorials on KuCoin sometime in the future? Yeah, Jake, sure, no problem. Yeah, we could do that. Did I learn from CryptoFace? I have learned a lot. I mean, not like personally. Like I've never I've never like learned directly from CryptoFace. Like I never met up with him, and you know. I've met him, but no, I've always watched his videos and stuff. So yeah, I've learned a ton from him and watching his streams. And you know, there's tutorials on the Market Cipher website that show you how to use it. Those are super, super helpful. So yeah, CryptoFace is the man. Me and DZ got to DZ, Justin, and some other people from the crew here at BitBoy Crypto got to go. We went to Vegas for a meetup, and CryptoFace was there. We got to go hang out and gamble with him a little bit. Like one of the coolest guys I ever met. He's super dope. But yeah, he is the GOAT. Let's see. I think Friedrich, no problemo. Can someone link me the Femex video? Hey, I'll do you one better. Let's see if I can pull it up real quick. Oh, maybe I can't. If someone can do that, that would be awesome. Don't forget, if you want to sign up for Bybit, my referral link is in the description of this video and the Femex video. And I would help out the channel just a little bit. Cost you guys nothing. I would really appreciate it. And then you guys can get trading right away, and we can trade these bing bongs all over the place. Turn the bing bongs to the cha-chings. To the cha-ching bongs? I don't know. Anyway, let's see. Hopefully we just printed a higher low on the daily. Yes, I hope that too. Okay, so what did we go over today? We looked at the Fibonacci's. We looked at different types of support and resistance. What else can we do here? I'm just trying to provide a lot of value for you guys because I get very motivated when you guys say you're learning stuff. So I do want to keep doing that for you because that's what we like to do. If I'm not helping you, I'm not doing my job, and I'm not having fun. I want to help you guys. You know, that's my main goal. What do we got? We got 113 likes. Guys, call your grandma. Call your Uncle Vinny, your Uncle Mikey, your Uncle Jimmy, your Uncle Sal. Call them all. Get your huge family to come in and like the video. get on your iPad, get on your iPhone, get on your computer, get on your TV, whatever you have, every device you have, get in there, hit those likes, and maybe Bitcoin will go up. When taking off a bounce from support, do you always look for a retest before entering a trade? Sam, when taking, hang on, let's pull up a chart here. Let me pull up a naked chart. This is the Frankie Candles late night stream, looking at the naked charts. Ooh, all right, let's see here. Whatever. We're looking at link here. So you are saying when taking off a bounce from support, do you always look for for a retest before entering a trade? I guess you assume a retest of that same support. Not always. I mean, people trade breakouts a lot. Like people are solely breakout traders. I did that a little bit in the beginning. Like, I mean, I will trade a breakout, but a lot of times breakout traders get trapped, and I don't prefer that strategy. Like I said, I will trade them, but it's not my main bread and butter. Like button has been smashed. Thank you, Hope. I appreciate that. Marcel, naked charts. Hashtag naked charts. All right. So, yeah, and guys, we're going to, as we get things up and running here, we will be, something I want to utilize, you guys let me know if you think this will help you guys. You know, things that we can do is we can use this replay, this replay function. Oof, looking for those words today. We can use the replay function on TradingView. I don't know if you guys know about this. You can't use it with Heikin-Ashi candles for some reason, so we'll switch to regular candles. I told you guys I use regular candles sometimes. But so you click here, and then you go here, and then look at that. It erases the price action, and you can replay what's happened in the markets, so we can go through and kind of like see, find setups and then go back in time and then see how you can trade them. So let me know in the chat if you guys would be interested in seeing that. So if you hit play, you see that the price plays out, a lot faster than in real life, which is nice because, we don't have to wait, 2 hours for each candle. We just wait a second for each candle. But yeah, I think this could be really, really, really useful for us to, learn. And so I can show you guys how to trade. Sorry, I'm a little lost here on the computer. But yeah, let me know if you guys think that will be useful. Also, if you have TradingView, I think you need TradingView Plus for that. But if you have TradingView Plus and you are starting out, that could be a good way for you to just go back, hit replay, and then you don't have to use real money, right? Like, you could go back, hit the replay button, right? And then I'm just gonna, and then you could come down here also. If you, right here, you could do long position or short position. So you could click here. Let's just rough. Boom. So we got resistance. We got support. Super rough. I'm just doing this for an example. Okay, so let's see what happens. We're in this channel, right? Are we gonna hit the support? Are we gonna hit the support? Oh, it reversed. Right? I'm trying. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm just trying to wait for. Okay, so let's pause it there, right? Just for an example. Click short position, right? We'll just say we think it's going to go down from here. We're rejecting right here. So you go to let's say we get into a trade right there. Obviously the red is your stop loss, the green is profit. And then this is kind of how you can, if you can make your own strategies, right? Hashtag very useful, Marcel. Yes, I think so too. I just want to show you guys how you can use this. You can use other people's strategies. You can use my strategies that I'll be showing you. But if you want, there's no, golden, everyone thinks there's this golden thing where this golden strategy where you just do it and it just always wins. It's not the case. You could find somebody's strategy and then add, your own risk management. You can add your own take profit strategy. You can add and tweak things to how you trade and, what you're comfortable, how you're comfortable trading. But this is a good way to test it, right? Without having to, constantly put in trades and lose money or maybe win money. But if you don't want to risk your money, but, you want to practice first, this is a great tool. So you do the replay, right? And then we're saying we think it's going to short for, no particular reason. I'm just kind of showing you how this can play out. And then you hit play and boom, you just let it play out. I'm actually gonna click so it goes faster, and you can watch it. Okay, we're in profit. We're in profit. We're in profit. Are we gonna come up to the top of the channel? Are we gonna come back down to support? Boom. And we got stopped out. So that would have been a losing trade. But that's just a quick example of how you guys can, we didn't put any analysis into that, obviously. But that's just kind of how you can do your technical analysis, and then you can put these on the chart, and then do 10 trades, right? You can do this 10 times and then see how many times you win. If you win 7 out of 10, do it another 10 times. If you win 6 out of 10 of those, do it again. If you win 8 out of 10 of those, then you could see like, okay, I'm winning more than half the time. That's what you need. You need a winning strategy over time. And this is super powerful, a super powerful way to practice, right? You got to put in those hours. You got to practice. And it is nice that you can do it without spending money if, you don't have a high risk tolerance or you're not confident in trading. And then, maybe not today, but we can go over, maybe that's what we can do just to start off. We can do some TA and, analyze stuff, and then we'll put in shorts and longs, and we'll see if we can win trades. And we will also be doing real trades as well. But we can, just start off with these, start off a little light, just show you guys how you can practice. Let's see, TA and naked charts. Let's go, Lane. Let's go, Lane Brown. 121, 80 concurrent viewers. Guys, I need Uncle Jimmy and Uncle Sal and Aunt Diane. You need your Aunt Dolores. You need them all here. Get them in here. Hit the like button. We got to hit 222 likes if you guys want to see me do a backflip. I'm kidding. I can't do a backflip. So I guess in that case, if you want to see me break my neck, then 222 likes is the goal. Did I get blocked? Captain BT Crypto, no, I would never block you. You come into all these streams, and I love seeing you here every day. I would never block you. Oh, yeah, I guess that was just a weird thing. You just disappeared for a minute. You're back. Oh, you might not be able to post a link. We might have some kind of, like, scam blocker or something. I don't know. Very useful, Marcel. Yes, I'm glad. Linked. Okay, let's see. I just copied and pasted the URL. Oh, there's like this link is a debacle in the chat. Throw some sauce on it, Frankie. Let's go. Let's go. I love that. Lane Brown. I like that name, man. Lane Brown. That's a good name. Yeah, throw some sauce. We're just throwing, Salt Bay does the little, little salt. We're doing a little bit of sauce. We're gonna dump a little sauce on there. You know what I'm saying? I think if you guys are getting value out of this stream, I did come in here. I wanted to provide a little extra value today, just because I didn't get that video up. So I am trying to teach you guys a little extra on this stream and not get lost in the chat as much. I'm trying to give you guys actionable things. So you could take what you learned on the stream today, open up a chart, and try to find your own key levels of resistance, even before you watch the video. And then when you watch the video tomorrow, you're going to get those fire areas of support and resistance. Let's go. Chad, what's good, man? Smash the likes. Let's go. Let's see here. BitBoy Crypto for president. Frankie Consigliere for Fed chairman. Jimmy, where do you come up with this stuff, man? We're going to make that a thing. BitBoy Crypto for president. Frankie Candles, Consigliere for Fed chairman. I like that. I'll tell you what, if I was the Fed chairman, what's going on right now would not be going on. We put a stop to it. We'd take all the FUD that the Fed puts out. We'd take all the negative stuff on crypto, and we would just fill it all in with sauce. We would give it all sauce, little pasta fajoule, you know what I'm saying? But hashtag pasta fajoule in the chat if you like pasta fajoule. I'm kidding. I just want to see you guys spell it. Anyway, let's see. Can we see BTC link chart pumping? Remind me of bear market. Can we see? Yeah. Let's see. Pull it up, Frankie. Pull up the BTC chart. 36,990. Okay, let's get off these candles. Boom. Heikenashis. We're all about the Heikenashis on this channel. Let's see. Okay. Where'd that? Oh no, where'd it go? Can we see BTC chart? Link chart pumping. Let's look at the link. Is link pumping? I don't see a link pumping currently. Look at that. Look at that resistance. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, we've been talking about this a lot. Are we in a bear market? Are we in a bear market? Like I said earlier, I don't think I'm not ready to throw in the towel yet. Okay. I think a lot of people are, and hey, like I said, it doesn't mean they're wrong. I'm just not ready to throw in the towel yet because I think we could see a little bit of a weird cycle. So yeah, I'm not ready. Like I said, I think I'm not even going to be freaking out if we dump to the bottom of this channel. I'm not freaking out yet. I'm not screaming bear market. Well, first of all, I'm shorting and I'm making money, but you know, I'm not freaking out for my long-term bags at all at that point. Like I said, it all comes down to pulling profit, right? You guys got to pull profit on the way up. You don't want to wait to try to sell the top and hit the lottery and make $1 million all at once. You have to pull your profits out. Don't get greedy. Pigs get fat. Hogs get slaughtered. Remember that. As you guys know, I'm not a catchphrase guy. I might have butchered that. Actually, I think I got it right, though. But yeah, if we dump down here, I mean, I'm expecting if the bearish case, let's go bullish bearish case, right? Because this is kind of what I like to do because, you know, the TA can be spot on. We could be super confident and, you know, the markets can still do weird stuff. But, you know, for the bullish case this morning, I was kind of, it did look like we were coming to a little bit of a local bottom at this area. I thought we might have held that bottom support level on this channel for a, you know, a retest again, maybe a third test to break out and then flip this level to support and then break up to these higher levels. Has not played out yet. But you know, in the bearish case, you know, if this is the big dump if we are going to see another one of these ginormous dumps from the top of from the top of this wedge, you know, boom, we come down. Maybe we get a little bounce here. Maybe we range around in here. If we break it again, I don't know how much confidence I have in this level, but I mean, eventually I think we could wind up in this green range over here. This is the level I'm watching. You know, even 29, I'm not really freaking out. But you know, we could be in a bear market. Not impossible. Not impossible. You know, they say, I don't know who they is, but they say, you know, most people don't know they're in a bear market until you're in the dark depths of it, right? Everybody always thinks, oh, we're getting a big bounce. Oh, we're getting a big bounce. Oh, it's going to bounce back. And then you get a relief rally and you're like, we're going back to all-time highs. And then it's a dead cat bounce. And then you know, you come up a little bit and then you just get whomped back down. So yeah, I went on a little bit of a tangent there. Mark says, Frankie go brrr. Frankie go. Frankie go. Is that what you're talking about? Frankie go brrr. Money counter go brrr. Anyway, hey, Pearls, hashtag pasta fajoule. I like the way you spelled that, my man. I like that. I like that. Pasta fajoule. Tyler Durden, pasta fajoule. I like that. You guys, he said pasta, fal, jewel, as in diamonds. Let's see. Let's break some bread, Crypto Anon. Break the bread. Break that bread. Break that. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, yeah, it smells good. Anyway. Yeah, Fed just needs to wake up from the Stone Age. Yeah. Frederick, I would agree with that. Frankie, how's about Cartesi in the swing time frame? Thanks, bruv. Eric, Cartesi. We will take a look at Cartesi. I'm highlighting your comment right now so I don't lose it. Crypto Anon does a dab bing bong. Bing bong. You put 2. Bing bong. I'll give you 2 bing bong. Am I sneezing? Did I just bing bong and dab, or is that just how I sneeze? Am I that New York? That's just like every time I sneeze, I'm just like bing bong. I'm just kidding. Anyway. This stream is banking it. Jimmy Two Shoes, Jimmy Bag of Donuts, Jimmy Pasta Fajoule. You're absolutely right. Sorry, a little late to the party. Thoughts on Cosmos? Let's check out Cosmos. We do keep an eye on Cosmos. As you can see, it's number 3 in my list here. I love keeping an eye on Cosmos. I like trading Cosmos. Let's see. So What are we here? Let's go to the daily. The diggity daily. Guys, oh my God, man. Cosmos, yeah. All right, so we're holding this support. We did have a little pump, a little relief there, and then came back down, and we are testing that $26 area. But let's see, yeah. I always bring this up. This was the golden opportunity right here. I was having so much fun trading this area. If you guys were in the stream yesterday, you know that I love trading the channels, especially this one. This was a nice big one. I think it was like 20%. Yeah, like 20% from the support to the resistance. I was catching these trades like up and down all over the place. This was what a good time to be trading right there. I was happy about that. But yeah, and then we broke out, and then we tried to come back in, held on for our lives, and then broke right back down. And now we are trading here. Maybe we can get some moves into this, and we can get, these kinds of moves in this channel, and we can start trading it again. But we're gonna have to wait for some more bullish action. We need Bitcoin to wake up from the nap that it's in. But last time I said that, it turned out not being that great because I went on the morning stream and I was like, guys, Bitcoin is napping. This is horrible. It's boring. We're going sideways for what seemed like forever. And then we came in the next day and Bitcoin woke up from its nap and it was quite cranky and it just dumped. So if Bitcoin wants to nap a little bit, I mean, we are dumping a little bit right now, but Bitcoin napping is better than Bitcoin dumping for your long-term holds. But it is money. If I see I see green both ways, guys. This is what I see, right? Let's see. Right, essentially, when I look at the chart, that's what I see. I see green, and then I also see a different shade of green because this is all. We should just keep these colors like this because it's money both ways. The red is just a negative color, but when you're short and you can get that money, this is actually closer to the color money in my opinion. But yeah, I mean, I see green both ways. I'm going to undo that, though, because other people use this trading view. All right, let's see. The manipulation is real. Jimmy Two Shoes, you got that right, my friend. You got that right. BNB, I left for a couple minutes. Did I miss it? No, you didn't. Quick on Cosmos. Guys, when I get the stream set up downstairs, we're going to have better monitor setup here. This is not ideal. It's very crammed. But like this market cipher B is like just covered at everything. But yeah, we're holding on to this this support here at about $26 is very strong. Let's see what it looks like on the daily. I mean, I feel like I've said this a bazillion times, but the alts actually maybe except for Cosmos because Cosmos was like didn't give a damn about what Bitcoin was doing. It just kept going up. So sometimes you get these alts that will go against what Bitcoin's doing. But for the most part, if Bitcoin dumps, the altcoins are going to get hit super hard. But yeah, we're holding that support. This is the daily. Yeah, I mean, we dipped down below this. This was in December. Yeah, we did get a green dot on the daily the other day. Red dot on the momentum wave right now. Money flow not really knowing what it wants to do. It came up for air a little bit right there, right back into the red. But yeah, we'll keep an eye on it. What do you want to see? BNB and Cartesi, I think, too, right? BNB. Boom. Just keeping this black coffee going. Thought I stained my shirt. Okay. BNB. Let's see. What are we on the daily here? Let's look at the 4 hour. Let's turn on Market Cipher A, even though it does cloud up the. Okay. Oh, there you go. Look at that blood diamond. That's a blood diamond for you. Boom. 27%. I can't see because everything's blocked on this monitor, but I don't know if I got to the exact bottom, but that was a dump. The blood diamond on the 4 hour will do. But yeah, let's go to the daily and get some support in here. Yeah, I do hold BNB. Oh boy. Look at that. Yeah, so we do have a yellow X on the daily for BNB. How do these play out? These don't. This one didn't really play out at all. Yeah, I don't really know what to make of that. It doesn't look like they really play out on the daily for Bitcoin, or at least this one didn't. Keeping an eye on this, guys. The yellow X, the yellow manipulation X's usually bring us down quite a bit. If we come down to a lower time frame, all right, let's just go to the DGen chart because actually, like 5 minute or something. Like these yellow X's. I mean, these yellow X's usually bring you down. Wow, this BNB is weird. Usually they bring you down a lot. So that's definitely not what you want to see on the daily. But it does seem that they haven't really played out in the past for BNB. 138 likes, guys. Where are we here in the stream? We're almost at 120 seconds. We're only an hour and 20 minutes into the stream. We already have 138 likes. I think we can get to 200, at least 200. 222, we're doing something super crazy. 200 even, I'll do something fun. But yeah, so definitely this yellow X is something to watch. Typically not good at all. Let's see if we could find how these yellow X's play out on Bitcoin. Yeah, like you don't see these yellow X's unless you have some gross times ahead. I'm just going to clear this chart real quick so we can see better. Yeah, I mean, boom, 14%. And then what is that top of this candle to here? I can't see, of course. 10%. So yeah, you don't want to see these yellow X's. I know I'm yeah. Oh, hey, what are these? Okay, there we go. Yeah, look at this. So with the yellow X's, I'll give you guys a little sauce here. So the yellow X's, oh, good Lord. Okay. Look at this one. Ooh, baby. So usually the first yellow X plays out pretty horrifically. In this case, this is the 3-minute chart, right? But so it's only a 2% move. However, if you're using leverage, these yellow X's are money. So you could get, throw some 10x leverage on there, 24% gain, not bad. But usually the first two are brutal, and then when you start seeing extra, the second, sometimes you get a third one, a fourth one, any of the yellow X's that you get after the first two, you'll notice that if you are using market stuff, you'll notice that the downward momentum kind of slows down. Like the first one and the second one are usually brutal, and then the second one and the third one and the fourth one are a little better, and then you see the bulls start to come back in and take control. So the more, if you see the first one and the second one, I would be very cautious. And then when you see the third and the fourth one, you can expect that usually means that the sellers are kind of getting worn out and the bulls are ready to come back and bring the price back up a little bit. Let's see. If you had any atoms staked in a private wallet or November 2021, then you have a bunch of airdrops to claim. Oh, okay. I didn't even know about that. The crypto bull, no problem. You said thanks, bro. Of course. Crypto Anon, LFG. I think we all know what that means. Let's go. Let's see. BTT. We could take a look at that. What is BTT? Oh, baby, we're at 148. 148 likes. Crypto Anon. Thank you for keeping me updated on that because sometimes I forget to look over at it. Yeah, 148. I think we could easily get another 50 likes, guys. Call your family. Get them in here. We got to get the likes. I'm going to. What do you guys think about like a Wheel of Fortune, like a Wheel of Fortune wheel or like a prize wheel? If you guys know what I'm talking about, like you hit it, and it's like, and then it stops on something. I'm thinking about bringing one of those and making it a part of the show. Maybe we fill it with altcoins, right? We'll spin it, and then we do analysis on 3 out of the altcoins that we spin on. Or maybe we fill it with our end of stream challenges, and that's just like the Wheel of Punishment. I think that would be kind of fun. I'm thinking of doing something fun. Like I think that'll be really cool. Or maybe it's like you spin it, and like the really really bad ones, like enter a trade right now on this coin, no matter what, just enter a trade, and then maybe get wrecked. Obviously, guys, I would be doing it with money that You know, we'd be very little money. It would just be for fun. You want to have a strategy when you trade. If you watch the channel or the streams at all, you know that's what we're all about. But, you know, at the end of the streams, I do like to have some fun with you guys and keep it entertaining. So I think that would just be fun and also be crypto related, a little more crypto related than sitting on a burrito. Yeah, check out my Twitter. I think it was posted on my Twitter, the clip of me doing the wall sits. It's very, very funny. I liked it. But yeah, check that out on my Twitter, Frankie_Candles. If you're not following me, follow me there and check out that hilarious video. Crypto Anon, 151 likes, now 153. Let's go, baby. We're getting there. Guys, at an hour and a half, we're usually like lagging behind. And then like in the last half hour, we run those likes up and you guys always hit the goal. It's crazy. So I have confidence in you guys. I have confidence. Let's see. Oh, BTT. Bitcoin, please. Aramis, I don't know how to say your name. I'm sorry. We looked at Bitcoin real quick. I'll just kind of go over it one more time. I'm not gonna go over the whole thing because we did go over it a couple times because some people came in late. But let me see if I can get my lines back. Okay, we got them back. I went back too far, but okay. So let's go to the 4-hour. Boom. All right. So I don't know exactly how up to date you are, but we were in this ascending channel coming up to test this death line of resistance. We came up, we kissed it once, we kissed it twice, and then it dumped us down. We were sticking this fib level right here. Now it looks like we're trying to go below it a little bit. Oh boy. Yellow X on the 24-minute. Yeah, it didn't play out there. Yeah, weird markets right now, guys. We're in a weird spot. But yeah, I mean, this yellow X plays out normally. I mean, yeah, maybe. So 36K is the next support that I'm watching. It looks like we may be breaking this fib level, but 36K is the next support that I'm looking for. Let's see. ETH has a nice pump. Let's check out ETH. Oh, hey. Oh, hey. Look at that. Look at that. This is a 24-minute. Look at that little relief rally after that blood diamond. What that blood diamond? I wish I caught that. I could have scalped that. Oof. A little more than 3%. Not bad. But then we got a nice little bounce. Nice little bounce. What is that? From the bottom. Nice little 4% rally back up. Yeah, we ran into this this support right here. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Right now, I would say this, guys. Right now, with these market conditions, I would be looking for shorts rather than longs. You know, unless I would be probably looking for a scalp long at this 36K level. Scalp meaning we do not need a large movement, right? If you're scalping for 1 or 2% with 10x leverage, you're looking for a 20% gain. That means if you're trading with $1,000, you would make $200 if you're using 10x leverage and Bitcoin moves 2%. So even 1% is 10% gain with 10x leverage. So just a little scalper right off this 36K level. That it would be the next time I'd be looking to scalp. But right now, I would be waiting for this to break and I would short it down. Hashtag value if you like these little drops in knowledge. Cartesi, thank you for the reminder. Your comment is still highlighted up there, by the way. I didn't forget about it. I mean, I forgot about it, but thank you for reminding me, but it was still highlighted. What is it? CTSI, right? Let's go Coinbase. Oof, there you go. There's a yellow X that played out. Boom. Oh, that's even more, actually. Boom. 4.7%. If you shorted that yellow X, I don't recommend shorting off one indicator, right? Or one signal. This yellow X is not enough to just short, even though they are very, very reliable. I mean, if you just randomly shorted yellow X's, maybe you could win a bunch of trades. But you wanna cross-reference with, you know, multiple indicators or patterns, signals. You want multiple confirmations before you enter a trade. But if you did wind up trading that, you would have had a nice little, hey, 10x leverage. That's 47%, guys. That's trading with $1,000. What's 47% of $1,000? Do the math. Uh, anyway, yeah, let's take a look here. It's the 24 minutes. Look at the daily. Oof, look at that blood diamond. Let's measure that out. Look at that. 46%. How long did that take to play out? God, I need to get a new monitor. 43% in about 11 days. Catch that with 10x leverage. Do that math. Okay, let's see. Yes, sir. 100 shorts for sure. Hashtag value. Crypto Anon. I appreciate that. Thanks, bruv. Amp on Gemini. Chart is nice. Mark Stallone. Hashtag value. Thanks, Frankie C. Thank you, Frankie C. I like that. Frankie C. Frankie C. Frankie Candles. Frankie Fibonacci. Frankie Pasta Fajoule. Frankie Fajoule. Appreciate that, guys. I love that we're providing value here. My dyslexia gets me all the time. What was the highest amount you ever traded with? Ooh, guys, I'm conservative. I don't know. I don't know how I feel. I'm undecided about talking about actual amounts of money, just because I don't know where everybody's starting at, or where everybody is. Maybe we'll get into it. But I will say this: I'm super conservative. I only trade with very small portion of my account. So say I have $1,000 in the account, I'll only, if I'm trading with 25% of my account, I consider that a lot. And it all depends on how much leverage I'm using. If I'm using a lot of leverage, I use less of my account. If I'm using lower leverage, I'll use more money. So that is kind of where I'm at there. Let's see. Pearls with the heart. I love you too. Thank you for being here. I'm sure you already smashed the like button, but if we can get to 200, let's see where we are, how long we've been on for. An hour and 30. Here, we are at the moment of truth. This is usually where we see the YouTube bulls come in, and we've been stuck at this 157, 155, 170 resistance level, and about an hour and a half into the stream is when the YouTube bulls come in and crush those likes, take control, and bring the likes back up to new all-time highs, and then you guys watch my dignity plummet to new all-time lows as I do these challenges. Okay, let's see. Will, Frankie Footlong. Okay, I like that one. That's a good one. I have a feeling you heard Ben say that one, maybe. Let's see. How do you think crypto will play a role in the metaverse? Well, in more ways than one. Let's get that super chats going. You're giving out the knowledge. Got to give it back. Jimmy, I appreciate that. We will definitely figure that out. I'm got a million things going on. I will remember, though, because that's important. I think that would be cool if we do super chats. Pearls, how do you think crypto will play a role in the metaverse? If you are not already following, guys, Meta Money, those are the metaverse guys. They are talking play to earn, right? Play to earn is a way that crypto plays a huge part. Candy Frankles. I like that. Yeah, so you got play to earn, right? We got Meta Money is putting out great play to earn content, and I hear Richard Hart talking about how he's like, I was in the metaverse, 20 years ago, talking about how like just virtual worlds, video games, and he's saying like basically the only difference between the metaverse now and the metaverse back, in Nintendo days or whatever, is that we strapped it to our face. I don't know if I agree with that, but it's yeah. I mean, I guess I don't know, but crypto and blockchain play a huge part in the metaverse, keeping things secure, being able to pay for stuff. Yeah, tons of ways. And if you guys are not following Meta Money yet, please go follow them. They're spitting great knowledge. And if you don't follow them, it means you don't like making money playing video games. And a lot of the games, like the game that they got me hooked on, you don't even need to sit there and play it. You set it up, you hit go, and your little guys run around and drop these little, I don't want to say the word, but they're these little things that explode. I don't know if YouTube likes that word, but and you just set them, and your little minions run around, and they basically mine you a coin that, I mean, the coins were worth when I was doing it about 275. I think it probably dropped a little bit now, but they've gone up to like $5, I think. So you just hit go and you can walk away from your computer and your little guys just run around and do tasks for you and make you money. And it's real money. I've used it. I can confirm it's real. I think Brian's making like over $100 a day doing it. It's crazy. We live in weird times. If you're not making money playing video games, follow Meta Money. Anyway, that's my Meta Money tangent. Okay, Captain BT, you're back. Party can resume now. Bing bong. She threw a dab in the chat. Let's see. I like the wheel idea, and yours too, Tyler. Ooh, Super Chat can fund the Wheel of Doom. Okay, all right. We're already calling it the Wheel of Doom. I see where this is going. Okay, cool. Maybe tomorrow we'll pull the wheel up and we'll get started with that. I'm gonna try. Yeah, we'll get it up here and we'll get it started, and then maybe we'll just brainstorm and we'll write on it in real time and figure out what it is and spin it for the first time. 162 likes, guys. 71 viewers. I told you the bulls come in after an hour and 30. We're at only 5 minutes. You know, we got 25 minutes left to run it up to 200. You know, I think we can do it. Let's see. I got you on 4 likes. That all the likes I have to give. Crypto Anon, I appreciate that. I picture you like sitting at a desk with like multiple devices, just smashing the like button. I appreciate that. Let's see. What game would that be? That game, BT Crypto, is called, I guess, I'm going to say it. It's called Bomb Crypto. I don't think YouTube's really going to care about that. But yeah, it's called Bomb Crypto. It's... yeah, it's basically a passive game, and you buy, can't think of the word. You basically buy these NFTs that are your heroes, and you can you get up to 15 of them that can play at the same time, and they go into these levels, and they run around and they drop these bombs, and they destroy like chests, and they damage them, and when the chest gets destroyed all the way, it releases some B coin, which is their crypto, or their coin that they have that you can then turn back into that real money, that tangible feta cheddar bread. Anyway, Crypto BT, bing bong. Let's see. That Hex guy is a day and $1 short of a closet. I don't want to read that whole comment, Jimmy. I'm sorry, but that's funny. I like the closet, that you added closet to that. I like that that's funny, that phrase. Anyway, Jimmy's a funny guy. Funny how you guys like that movie? Let's see. If BTC keeps dropping, where would next level be of support? We did talk about that, but I'll cover it again for you. Senor Green. I'm not a big name guy. I mean, I forget names every 2 seconds. I'm not good at pronouncing them. But here we go. Let's look at Bitcoin real quick. We did go over this, but I'll do it again for you. So let's come down to the 1 hour. Boom, boom, boom. Ooh, I feel like coffee kicking in, guys. Yeah, so next level of support that I'm looking for is 36K. That's a strong level of support. I will be looking for a scalp long, not financial advice. I just let you guys know what I'm doing because that's what I like to do. Hashtag not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing my opinions. I'm just sharing with you guys what I do. Let's see. It's all good. I heard bong crypto, not the other B word. Yeah. To clarify, not bong crypto, bomb with an M. Now I'm really just saying the word. Maybe we'll piss off YouTube. Anyway, gonna smash the likes on my kid's YouTube account. Yes. Hope, you're giving me hope for the likes. Hope, that is a appropriate name. You're giving this stream hope. You're not giving my soul hope, because these challenges do kill me sometimes. 165. Let's go, guys. 168. We're creeping up. 71 viewers. Let's run it up to 200 likes. Yes, Richard Hart is very rich. Let's see. Frankie 2 times. That's right. Frankie 2 times. Frankie 2 shoes. Frankie bag of donuts. Whatever you like. Frankie Fibonacci. Frankie candles. We're here. There we go. You guys do like the movie. I'm a clown. I'm here to amuse you. Funny how? What do you mean funny? Funny how? Like a clown? Yeah, I love that. Crypto Anon, you're the man. Uh, he's here to get the paper. Get the paper. Right? He fixes his tie like this. Uh, guys, they call me Frankie 2 times because I'm here to get the paper. Get the paper. Look at this. Get the paper. Get the paper. Get the paper. Uh, let's see. Yeah, great movie. Is that Goodfellas? Or that's Goodfellas, right? Not Casino. I think it's Goodfellas. I should know. Those are both like 2 of my favorite movies, but I got so much going on I can't even think straight. But yeah, great movies. If you guys haven't watched them, Casino, Goodfellas, some of the best Martin Scorsese movies. Let's see. Do you think screeners have any value? I hope. I'm not really sure what you mean. Woot woot. Yeah, I get that, kid. Law was trying to keep you from saying it. Oh God. Frank the Tank Gallard. Gaillard, I don't know how to say your name. What's going on, man? Smash those likes. We're almost at 170 likes. We're creeping up. The YouTube bulls are here to push those likes up to 200 so you guys can laugh at me at the end of the stream. Do you ever like swing trade ETH? Will I hold a lot of ETH? A lot for me. I hold a ton of ETH. It's like my biggest holding. So you can say I am long-term invested in ETH, so longer than a swing trade. Let's see. It's Goodfellas. That's what I thought. Okay. Tyler, thank you for clearing that up. Yes, Goodfellas, Crypto Anon. Can you explain the difference between candle chart and Fibonacci? Yes, I can, Cyrus. Let me hop on that real quick for you. Let me look up right here to my charts. Kidding. All right, here we go. Yeah, let's go to guys, we're going to pull out the naked charts again. If you have kids around your computer, close their eyes. We're pulling out the naked charts. Okay. Here we go. Oops. Boom. All right. Let me close this. Okay. So, who asked that question? What do we got? Difference between, okay. Cyrus. Difference between Fibonacci and regular candles. The reason I use them, I feel like I answered this question on every stream, but I know not everybody was in them, so I will go over it one more time. Fibonacci's, so here, let's go to regular candles. So this is kind of why. I'll explain it in like one word. Regular candles, these are Fibonacci's on the screen right now, and then these are regular candles. Blech. That's basically why I don't use them. They're just, ugh, I don't know. They're not good. They're not pretty to look at. They're just very choppy, uneven. And then watch, we're going to switch to the Fibonacci's. Let's see, Fibonacci, ready? Look at that. Let me take off Market Cipher A. Look how much smoother that is. It's just easier to identify trends. Guys, that's basically why I use it. It's easier to identify the trends. It's cleaner to look at. But the difference in the candles is Fibonacci averages the price, and then the regular candles, where is it? Regular candles are showing the actual price. So I do switch to the regular candles once in a while if I want to just see the exact price, but 99.9% of the time I'm on Fibonacci's with Market Cipher B and sometimes Market Cipher A up here. That's just how I do it. If you like regular candles, guess what? That's cool. You could use regular candles. It's cool. I know a lot of people that use regular candles. I just prefer Fibonacci's. Okay. Let's see. Oh boy, Jimmy, what'd you say? Your message got retracted. I missed it. I wish I saw it. I don't know what you said, but everybody's laughing. Let's see. Check out sand. Paulo, I got you. Let's see. Sand. Let's check a little bit of sand. I used to live on Long Island, so there's a lot of sand over there, a lot of beaches. Just sipping my coffee, drinking my black coffee on Long Island. Do you guys think it's a draw weird? Like if you put something in the thing that pulls out from your desk, it's a draw? Do I say that weird? Everybody in the South makes fun of me the way I say draw. I don't know what they go like draw. I don't know. They say something weird. I say draw. That's what it is. I didn't even know you're supposed to say it the other way. Let's see, sand. Boom. Let's go Binance. Boom. Okay. Taking a look at sand on the daily. Boom. Oh, what is this? This is January. Boom. Yeah, okay, so let's see. We got the daily VWAP coming down, about to print a red dot. So let's zoom in a little bit here. Let's look at the 4-hour. 4-hour VWAP coming up. Money flow in the green, curving down just a little bit. RSI is coming in for nice and tight. If I had to, yeah, let's see. Let's draw some lines here. Let's draw some lines. Boom. Draw some lines. Draw. I say the word draw and draw the same way, like drawing with a pencil and putting something in a draw. Maybe that's why people think I'm weird. Anyway, all right, coffee's getting in my head, guys. Sorry. Here we go. Okay, cool. So we had that little this little line of support / resistance kind of coming down and testing that right now. And hey, going back to the beginning of the stream, we can go back and test this line. You can see we wicked up, got reactions back down from it. Didn't quite reach it there. But yeah, I'm just trying to show you guys that if you are drawing lines, you can go back in time to test them. But yeah, so let's see. I don't know. Are you looking for long-term, short-term on sand? I missed out on sand. I'm really sad about that. But hey, you can only buy so many coins, guys. If you're in crypto, you know that you can only get in on so much before you run out of money, right? You can't buy them all. You can't buy them all. There'll always be another one. But yeah, to be honest, none of this is really, I mean, we're going to print this red dot, probably come through this support. If I had to guess, depending on what Bitcoin does, if Bitcoin dumps, we are surely going to dump. You know, unless it pulls a Cosmos and just starts ripping while Bitcoin's going down. But yeah, but I mean, sand is an amazing project. That's not to say, yeah, that's not to say that it's, you know, a bad buy at all. Some would say that it's even on sale. You know, maybe we come back down to here, this level. Hey, guys, let's apply what we learned today. Let's apply what we learned today. Boom. Boom. Draw a little Fibonacci retracement here and see if, I don't know how close I got to this. Boom. Okay, yeah, so drawing that Fibonacci. Yeah, I mean, if we do, let's get rid of the regular lines. Yeah, so you can see we are coming up to this 0.238 level, getting rejected back down. Can we come back down to here? We do have, I mean, there's just a lot of support there. I mean, this is, you do, yeah, I mean, I think, I mean, can we come down to this level if Bitcoin dumps? Absolutely. It does look like we can hold this level, though, if we do get down there, as long as Bitcoin does not continue to dump. As I always say, if Bitcoin really decides to go down, 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 the altcoins are going to fall even further. But yeah, I would say in the short term here, maybe let's look at the 15-minute. Yeah, let's see. Yeah. I mean, oh, there you go. There's a little bit of support. Boom, coming down, as you guys can see. Look at that. You got reactions. You got reactions, resistance, support, support, and support again. So maybe we hold this line. This looks kind of strong. If not, you know, boom, boom, support, resistance. Yeah, maybe we come down there. But yeah, I would say, I mean, if Bitcoin continues going the way it's going, we're definitely coming down more on sand. I hope that helps you out. Let's see. Let's take Cartesi, ADA, Poly. Are good buys soon? Let's take a look. Let's look at ADA. We have not checked out. Hey, guys, we check on ADA every single day, and we have 175 likes, guys. We're close. We're close. How long have we been on for? hour and 50 minutes, let's call it. Guys, we have 10 minutes to get 25 likes. If you want to see something crazy go down at the end of the stream, as always, get it up to 200. I'll take the 222 off. I mean, we're coming to the end of the stream here. Let's try to get it close. 200. 200, we're doing some fun stuff. Let's take a look. Oh, no.
What is this?
Oh, no.
That's right, ladies
Look
and
who it
gentlemen.
is.
Still at work.
Look
Baseball
at
practice got canceled. Man, you got some people in your chat, man.
Yeah, look at us go. We got
Who's in here from the morning? Anybody?
Captain BT Crypto. I'm not 100% sure. We do have people from the morning. I'm not sure who it is.
You got your own fans.
Look at this. We got the Bing Bong gang in here.
Bing bong.
Bing
Bing
bong.
bong.
Bing bong. Mr. Bitboy Crypto, ladies and gentlemen.
That's right. Hey, let's make that money. Let's do it.
Make that money, baby. Make that cheddar. We got it. We got it. Look at this. Brrr. Money counter go. Brrr. All right. Okay, so taking a look at ADA, guys. I'm surprised that we have not taken a look yet. Let's take a look here. Okay. Let's go to a larger time frame here. Boom. So as you can see, yeah, this. I feel like every time we look at ADA, it's at $1. But look at this. Remember, we talked about drawing ranges. Or did we do that on ADA today? I don't even remember. We drew a purple box today, guys. I've been working for like 13 hours. We're coming to the end of it here. Brain function is down like Bitcoin right now. But let's see. So yeah. So I think we did draw this today. Actually, we did. Okay. So holding on to that $3 area, but we are. You know, we're not worried. We're not worried yet. We're coming into this cushion of support. And yeah, we kind of went over this already. But yeah, holding on to that $1 area. Psychological support, as you guys know, psychological support, as we went over earlier. Very strong support and resistance, those psychological areas, those even numbers like $1, $1.10, $1.20, $1.50. That's where people put a lot of their orders in, their limit orders. A lot of people set at even numbers. So when you come down, you know, people are waiting. Oh, man, if ADA ever comes down to $1, I'm going to buy it. I'm going to buy it. And some people put the orders in. So if it ever happens, they just buy it. You know, the order triggers and they buy it automatically. So you come here and then it triggers those orders and it holds the level. Boom. All right. So we got, yeah, I just heard the Lambo start. Oh, God. Ben's, guys, if you have not seen Ben's Lambo yet, I'm sure you have. But if not, go to the Hit Network. We get to drive it sometimes. You know, he lets us drive it. It's fun. But that thing is sick. It's a Huracan Performante. It's crazy. And he just started it. It's so far away, and I still hear it. It gives me goosebumps every time. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful piece of Italian machinery. You know, you guys know why I like Lamborghini. Come on. Come on. And they got the Bull. You know, I don't know if you guys know this. Lamborghinis are all the, I think the Murcielago, the Gallardo or Gallardo. Most of their cars, if not all of them, are named after Spanish fighting bulls. So you got the Lambo, which is an Italian piece of machinery. You know, we're here in the New York Bagel Factory, New York Italian, Long Island Bagel Factory. We got the Bull on the front of the car, so maybe we can all run this up, make money trading, so we can all get those Lambos. Anyway, let's see. Hi, Ben from Germany. Frederick, I'll tell him you said hi. Guys, we got stream rated by Mr. Bitboy himself. Let's see. But boy, I love you, bro. Sup, Benny? Woot woot. Guys, 180 likes. If you guys are a fan of Ben or BitBoy, come on. He just showed face, came in by the stream. Let's run it up another 20 likes. And oh God, we could have made him part of the challenge. I could have been like I don't know what kind of stuff we could have done, but we could have had something fun. Let's see. Rubber bands are prepared in advance. Hey, Richie. Richie, you're going to be rich. You got the rubber bands waiting. It's all about manifesting, right? You got to visualize. You have to act like you already have it. So once your thoughts and your beliefs are there, reality just has to catch up. So you keep those rubber bands in your pocket, and one day they'll be wrapped around a giant chunk of money. 180 likes. I manifested that in my head. Let's run it up, guys. I know we got 64 people, 180 likes. That's a decent ratio. I'm not going to cry about it. But if we want that challenge, we got to run it up. Let's see. Hey, guys, Meta Money in the chat. J Chains himself in the chat. Oh, God, where'd he go? Frankie, it's J Chains. Great stream. Justin, I appreciate that, man. You know, I spent a lot of time watching you guys work. So, you know, when you spend time around masters of their craft, I absorb while I hang out with you guys. So thank you for being here, guys. If you have not followed Meta Money yet, definitely go follow them. Like I was saying, they teach you how to make money in the metaverse. Money playing video games, making money in the metaverse. Metaverse is going to be huge. They're doing a lot of really good content, so definitely go follow them. Awesome videos. But yeah, Richie, get those rubber bands. Keep those rubber bands in your pocket. Viva Italia. That's right, J Chains. That's right. Viva Italia from Meta Money over here. Captain BT Crypto, Franchini. I like it. All right. 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know if we're going to run it up to 20. I don't know if we're going to run up 20 extra likes. But hey, maybe if you put some light punishments, some light, fun stuff in the chat, maybe I'll give you guys a little light challenge here so we can have a good time. Forget about Jimmy with the forget about it. I love it, Jimmy. Thank you. Yes, Crypto Anon named after all bulls. Let's go. Let's do it. Yeah, J Chains, dude. Jimmy's the man. Jimmy's from the boogie down Bronx, baby. Frankie Consigliere. I love it. He comes out with the best stuff. Let's see. Guys, J Chains is paisan. He's paisan. He's familiar. You know what I'm saying? Mr. Costardo. Let's see. ETH next support. Okay, let's take a look. Hurry up. We got 5 minutes left. 181 likes, guys. 181 likes. Let's keep them going. ETH. Last minute look at ETH. Let me just fuel up on my coffee. Okay. ETH, USD, next support. I will tell you this. I'm just going to say this because... All right, sensitive mouse here, hard to get the exact level. This is the bottom line for ETH for me. This is, if ETH hits this level, I'm buying more. Not financial advice. I'm buying more. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. This is my opinion. I don't think it's unlikely that we see ETH come down to 1,700, especially if Bitcoin keeps, doing its thing over there, that thing that we don't like. But yeah, I mean, maybe not the next support, but I think worst case scenario, we can come down to 1,700 before coming back up, obviously depending on what Bitcoin does. But yeah, like right here, boom, we are hitting resistance. This is the daily. So as we were saying before, guys, this is the daily, so we're getting these lines right up to the body. As you can see, look at that, guys. Look at it. It's not hard. Like I said, TA is not the hard part about trading. It's the mindset, it's the strategies, it's discipline, it's all these things that we're going to be going into on the channel. But the TA is the fun part. TA is the you can practice TA. It's harder to practice deleting your emotions. But look at this. We drew this line, drew them to the bodies. Resistance, busted through, support, and now look at that all the way over here, broke through, coming back up, testing it as resistance. Put hashtag value in the chat, hashtag bing bong in the chat. If you guys are learning something, it helps me know that if these streams are actually doing anything for you guys, because I know we like to have fun, but I don't want to come on here and just give you guys no value. I want to make sure you're learning stuff and having fun. That's the perfect mixture. That's what I like to do. I like to help you guys. We had a couple people in the stream yesterday saying that they were making money after watching my streams. And taking the tips that I was giving, and they were making money, and they were just thanking me, and that was the coolest feeling I've ever had in my entire life. That's what we want. I want that to be what this stream is about. I want everybody in the chat to talk about how they're making money with watching my streams and how we're helping them, find financial freedom through crypto assets, as BitBoy Crypto himself would say. Let us see. Smash those likes. 184, 185. Guys, we're so close. I want to just give in. Hashtag bing bong, hashtag value, hashtag bing bong. Great job today, Frank. I thank you, Captain BT Crypto. I appreciate that. Hashtag bing bong. Love seeing those. Love providing the value, guys. I try to give you actionable things like finding these support and resistance lines, how to make sure they're strong. I like to give you these actionable things where you can leave the stream and then go open up the chart and play around. And we showed you the longing and shorting strategy with the replay. Even if you don't have replay, I mean, you can go down and you can put those long and short positions onto the chart and just let it play out. Go to the 1 minute or something, or even just let it play out over days. That's a good way to simulate trading without having to paper trade on an actual exchange. So I just like to give you guys something that is actionable and you guys can go try in real life. Got another like Crypto Sasquatch coming from his other account, sending that extra like 186. You know what? You guys are putting in the effort here. 187. There we go. We're in the Bagel Factory, guys. We're in the New York Bagel Factory where I'm counting the sesame seeds so you don't have to. We're putting the dough. We're putting the dough into the oven and we're turning it into bread so we can all break bread together. Bing bong. Love you, Frank. Brian Garcia. Dude, I'm in here counting the sesame seeds for you, man. Brian Garcia works here at BitBoy Crypto. So happy to see you in the stream, man. Keep getting after it and helping all of us out, man. Thank you very much, man. I appreciate it. Let's see. Bada bing bong from Jimmy, your boy Jimmy. Jimmy, forget about it. All right, guys. All right. Put something in the chat. I could do something for you guys. Or do you want to give me the night off? We still got to prank DZ. I didn't forget about that. I'm very busy trying to get these videos out for you guys. Chris Weeks, love the show. Great, valuable info. Appreciate you, bro. Hashtag bing bong, guys. Bing bong. Let's see. Drink that nasty yogurt drink from Russia. Lane Brown. You watch Hit Network, and I love that. One of our editors, Nina, 190 likes, guys. 190 likes. Loving it. Guys, I'll call it 190. That's good enough. We could do a challenge. Put them in the chat if you want me to do something. 190 likes. You guys win. I'll give it to you. You guys are going on other devices, other accounts, and liking. I appreciate that. Let's see. What was I just answering? I don't even remember. Oh, that yogurt drink. One of our editors here, Nina, she's from Russia, and she has this yogurt soda that she drinks, and she brought it into the office, and she loves it, and it tastes like carbonated sour milk. It was disgusting. Everybody in the office tried it. It was the most disgusting thing I've ever eaten or drank in my entire life. However, BJ chugged the whole bottle without batting an eye. Doesn't shock me. BJ is a legend, so if anyone was going to chug it, I would assume it would be him because he is an absolute legend. But let's see. What do we got? Keep up the good job. Thank you, Cyrus. Great show. Thank you. I don't know how to say your name. I'm so sorry. Thank you. Hopium, bing bong. I like your name, Hopium, bing bong. Hope, thank you. I appreciate you coming out and hitting the like button. Lane Brown, maybe Nina should make your wheel. Oh, no. We can't let the Russian make my wheel. No, I'm kidding. We love Nina. But yeah, guys, the wheel will be in the show tomorrow. I'll try to figure out what to do with it. Appreciate the help, man. Soundscapes, thank you. Bing bong. Crypto Anon 190. 197. Hold on. Guys, we're going late tonight. We're too close. We're 3 minutes over. We're way too close to 200 likes. 198. We're too close. We're going to hit 200. I trust you guys. Let's see. Chris Weeks says, take the night off. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Brian Garcia, put in along at 200 likes. That's right. There it is, baby. 200 likes. Guys. I didn't want to blow out your ears there, but guys, we've never not hit our like goal. And that's I appreciate it more than you guys think, man. I love that. Thank you so much. Chris Weeks says, take the night off. I think you should sing I Feel Pretty. Captain BT Crypto. I'm keeping that highlighted. That's the guys. The coffee's getting me, guys. Rap to the intro of the song. Sask, these are good. Okay, let's see. That looks like discussing yogurt drink. Yes, Crypto Anon. It was horrible. Belly flop on the couch. Okay. Let's see. Ooh. Bullish on the Bit Squad, always value. Kelly, thank you. We all appreciate that. We appreciate you guys so much. 206. Whoopee. Guys, we might hit 222. But no, we're just going to wind down here. Great stream, brother. Will, I appreciate it. I like getting in early. Absolutely, man. I look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's stream. Let's go. 204. Let's go. Putting the parties in the chat. Hashtag Bing Bong. You the man. Thank you, Jimmy Two Shoes. I appreciate you, brother. I will see you in the next stream. He did it in a movie. Let's see. Have to sing the WAP. I don't know why people keep saying that. I don't know what that means. Are you guys talking about the Cardi B song? Rap would be dope. 207. More Joe Pesci movie quotes. Okay. All right. I'll come back with the Joe Pesci. I'll come back with the Joe Pesci quotes. Guys, I'm losing it. All right. Let's see. All right. We got belly flop on the couch. We got the belly flop on the couch. We got the rap. And we got the singing I Feel So Pretty. Let's see. Let's pull up a little FaceTime. Put the charts away. All right. For the rap. All right. Maybe we'll do the rap. Do you guys want to see the rap or you want me to sing I'm So Pretty? I'll add the belly flop into either one. Backflip. Capo. All right. Are we singing or rapping? Rap. Okay. All right. I'm gonna need a second to think here. All right. See. Do the truffle shuffle. I don't know what the truffle shuffle is. Rap for Ben. I think Ben left. He skirted off in the Lambo. All right. Do the truffle shuffle. What's the truffle shuffle? I don't know what that is. I feel pretty. Oh, so pretty. All right. Rap for Ben. Rap. All right, you guys want me to rap? I can't rap. I'm not a rapper. I'm not a rapper, though. Okay. How long does this have to be? Can we do just like one line? It's from the Goonies. Okay. Watch the movie The Goonies for the truffle shuffle. All right, 208 likes. All right, 208 likes. All right. Oh my gosh, from the Goonies. Truffle shuffle. Ugh. I've seen The Goonies when I was a little kid. All right, we'll do a little rap. I'll rap like one line for you. I'm not a rapper. I'm just gonna rhyme words. I gotta wait for the music. Ben did actually make a rap song with the Hit Music guys. It's amazing. I think you can see it on the Hit Network videos. I'm not sure which one. All right. But, guys, listen, I appreciate you all tuning in. You guys hit the goal once again. Every single time, I can count on you. You guys are nice. We got 208. Hang on a second. I can't hear this music. Okay. This is going to be really hard because I'm echoing, but we'll try it. Wait for another beat. Okay. When you hear yourself in the headphones, it echoes, so it's like really hard to hear. Especially if you're trying to stay on beat. Okay. Rap about the candles. Don't make no money. Scared money don't make no money. I love that song. All right, yo, guys. Waiting for the beat. Guys. All right. 209 likes. Love it. 209. We ran it up. All right. 209 likes. You guys are so nice. Bitcoin's dropping. Yikes. That's all I got. I'm not a rapper, though. I'm not a rapper. It's so hard to do in these headphones, guys. I'm echoing all over the place. That is like worse than I ever could have thought it would be. But maybe we won't even count this. Maybe I'll write like a line or two, so I'll be ready next time, and I can just spit it for you, and it'll actually be on beat, and it will make sense. But Frankie, on time to drop a rhyme, teaching us how to make a dime. You already know we're in it to make the dough. I can't hear the music. I don't know if I'm on beat, but yeah. And that's a wrap, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm sorry you had to hear my horrible rap. I'm even slurring my speech now because I'm delayed in the headphones. But guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for the likes. 209. You guys are the best. No idea how much I appreciate you. Don't forget to follow Frankie_Candles on Twitter, Frankie Candles YouTube channel. And listen, guys, if you want to sign up to trade on Femex, the link is in the description below. Click my referral link and sign up there. I appreciate you all. I love you. Again, I apologize for my horrible raps. I love you all. Peace out.